Hello everyone, welcome back to Credence Hub. Today, we're re-diving into the top trending online training programs in the USA for 2025. Whether you're re-looking to upskill or switch careers, these programs are shaping the future of education. As technology continues to evolve and industries adapt, the demand for skilled professionals in emerging fields is on the rise. In this video, we'll explore some of the most in-demand online training programs that can equip you with the necessary skills to thrive in today's job market. So get ready to embark on a journey of learning and self-improvement with us. First up, artificial intelligence and machine learning courses are in high demand. As AI is transforming various industries, the need for skilled professionals in this field is growing rapidly. Institutions like the University of Texas at Austin have launched or expanded their AI programs to meet this demand. The university offers a range of online courses and specializations in AI, including Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, Artificial Intelligence for Everyone, and Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Nano-Degree Program. These courses cover topics such as machine learning algorithms, deep learning, and natural language processing. They provide learners with practical skills and knowledge to work on real-world AI projects. The curriculum is designed to be interdisciplinary, allowing students to learn how to apply AI concepts in different domains. By enrolling in these programs, individuals can gain a competitive edge in the job market and pursue careers in AI-related fields such as data science, robotics, and software engineering. The University of Texas at Austin SAI, where programs are highly regarded and provide a solid foundation for those looking to enter the world of artificial intelligence. Similarly, the University of Michigan at Dearborn has also recognized the importance of AI and has expanded its AI programs to meet the industry demands. Their Master of Science in Computer Science, with a specialization in AI, is a fully online program that covers topics like machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, and natural language processing. The curriculum is designed to provide students with hands-on experience and practical skills needed to develop intelligent systems. The university's strong faculty and industry partnerships ensure that students receive the latest knowledge and real-world insights. Graduates of this program are well-positioned for careers in AI-driven fields, where they can contribute to developing innovative solutions. With the increasing adoption of AI across industries, investing in AI and machine learning training can be a smart decision for anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve and build a successful career. Next, cybersecurity training is another field that is gaining momentum. As our reliance on technology grows, so do the risks of cyber threats. According to Cybersecurity Ventures, there will be 3.5 million unfilled jobs in the cybersecurity industry by 2025. The Rochester Institute of Technology offers a cybersecurity micromasters program on edX, which is an online learning platform created by Harvard and MIT. This program covers topics like network security, cryptography, and risk management, providing learners with advanced skills to protect digital infrastructures. It's designed for individuals who want to pursue careers in cybersecurity or IT security management. By completing this program, you will be equipped to handle the complexities of safeguarding sensitive information and systems in today's digital landscape. The MicroMasters program consists of a series of courses that can be completed individually or as part of the larger program. Each course is taught by experienced industry professionals who share their expertise and practical insights. The curriculum is designed to be hands-on, providing learners with practical skills and knowledge to apply in real-world scenarios. The program also includes practical exercises, case studies, and projects that allow learners to apply their knowledge and develop practical skills. Upon completion of the program, graduates will be eligible for job roles such as cybersecurity analyst, security engineer, and ethical hacker. So if you're interested in pursuing a career in cybersecurity, consider checking out the Cybersecurity MicroMasters program offered by the Rochester Institute of Technology on edX. Another trending field is data science and analytics, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. The employment rate for data scientists is projected to grow by 36% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than the average for all occupations. Johns Hopkins University offers a data science specialization on Coursera, which is an online learning platform that offers courses from top universities and organizations worldwide. The specialization consists of 5 courses that cover topics from our programming to machine learning. Learners will gain skills to analyze and interpret complex data sets, prepare them for statistical analysis and machine learning, perform statistical analysis with R, and build machine learning models. The curriculum is designed to be applied, allowing students to learn by doing with hands-on practice and real-world examples. The data science specialization is suitable for individuals who are interested in pursuing careers in data analysis and business intelligence. By completing this program, you'll be prepared for entry-level positions in data science, data analytics, and related fields. Furthermore, the program can also serve as a stepping stone for those who want to pursue higher education in data science. If you're passionate about data and want to learn how to extract valuable insights from it, consider checking out the data science specialization offered by Johns Hopkins University on Coursera. The next trending field is digital marketing and social media strategy. As businesses continue to shift their focus online, the demand for skilled marketers is growing rapidly. According to the Content Marketing Institute, 91% of B2C marketers use content marketing as a primary marketing tactic. Platforms like Coursera and LinkedIn Learning offer courses in digital marketing and social media strategy. These courses cover topics such as search engine optimization, content marketing, and social media analytics. Learners will gain practical skills and knowledge to manage digital marketing campaigns and analyze their effectiveness. The curriculum often includes hands-on exercises and real-world examples to help learners apply the concepts they learn. These courses are designed to be flexible, allowing students to learn at their own pace and on their own schedule. Whether you're looking to start a career in marketing or you're a professional looking to upskill, these courses can provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. You'll be able to understand consumer behavior in the digital age, develop effective marketing strategies, and measure the success of your campaigns. Consider checking out the courses in digital marketing and social media strategy offered by Coursera and LinkedIn Learning to stay competitive in the ever-evolving field of marketing. The next trending field is influencer strategy and content creation. The rise of social media has given birth to a new profession, the influencer. According to the Influencer Marketing Hub, influencer marketing is a $13 billion industry and is expected to reach $15 billion by 2024. Universities like the University of Texas offer courses and programs in influencer strategy and content creation. These courses cover topics like brand building, audience engagement, and content monetization. Learners will gain practical skills and knowledge to develop and execute influencer marketing campaigns and build a personal brand. The curriculum often includes hands-on exercises and real-world examples to help learners apply the concepts they learn. These courses are designed to be flexible, allowing students to learn at their own pace and on their own schedule. Whether you're looking to start a career as an influencer or you're a brand looking to develop influencer marketing strategies, these courses can provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. You'll be able to understand the influencer landscape, develop and execute influencer marketing campaigns, and build a personal brand. Consider checking out the courses in influencer strategy and content creation offered by the University of Texas to stay ahead of the curve in the world of influencer marketing. Finally, let's talk about the online course platforms and resources. There are numerous online platforms offering a wide range of courses and programs. Here are a few of the top options. First, Coursera is an online learning platform that partners with top universities and companies to offer a wide range of courses. It provides a variety of specializations and degrees in fields like computer science, data science, and business. Next, edX is an online learning platform founded by Harvard and MIT. It offers a range of courses, including MicroMasters programs in various fields like cybersecurity and data science. Lastly, LinkedIn Learning is an online learning platform that focuses on professional development. It offers courses in business, technology, and creative skills. These platforms offer flexibility and accessibility for learners worldwide. By utilizing these resources, individuals can access high-quality training programs from the comfort of their own homes or anywhere with an internet connection. These programs offer a convenient and cost-effective way to invest in one's education and career development. So whether you're looking to upskill or change careers, these trending online training programs in the USA for 2025 can provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. Remember to do your research and choose a program that aligns with your interests and career goals. With the right training and dedication, you can achieve your professional aspirations and make a significant impact in your chosen field. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. And if you want to learn more about online training programs, check out our other videos on the top online training programs. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.